Hi everyone, welcome back to Beladjar. In today's video, we're going to help you improve your English listening skills and expand your vocabulary. If you're a beginner or just looking to practice, you're in the right place. We have a fun and engaging conversation between two friends discussing vacation plans. This video will help you get comfortable with common phrases and vocabulary used in everyday conversations. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Don't forget to pay attention to the details and try to answer the questions at the end. Ready? Let's dive into our conversation. Hi Arya, how are you today?
Hi Anna, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. I've been thinking about taking a vacation soon. Do you have any suggestions?
That sounds exciting. Where are you thinking of going?
I'm not sure yet. I'm considering either the beach or the mountains. What do you think?
Both are great options. If you enjoy relaxing and swimming, the beach might be perfect. But if you like hiking and cooler weather, the mountains could be a better choice.
I do like swimming, but I also enjoy hiking. Can you tell me more about the beach option?
Sure. If you choose the beach, you could go to places like Bali. They have beautiful beaches, warm weather, and lots of activities.
That sounds wonderful. What kind of activities can I do at the beach?
You can go swimming, sunbathing, snorkeling, or even try surfing. Many beach destinations also have local markets and restaurants where you can enjoy fresh seafood.
I love seafood. What about the mountains? What can I do there?
In the mountains, you can go hiking, camping, and enjoy the fresh air. There are often beautiful views and waterfalls. Some mountain regions also have cozy cabins or lodges where you can stay.
Both sound amazing. How do I decide which one to choose?
Think about what you enjoy the most. Do you prefer relaxing on the beach or exploring nature in the mountains? Also, consider the season and the weather.
Good point. What's the best time to visit the beach or the mountains?
For the beach, the best time is usually during the dry season when the weather is sunny and warm. For the mountains, it depends on what you want to do. If you like snow, winter is best. Otherwise, spring and fall are great for hiking.
That helps a lot. I'm leaning towards the beach because I love warm weather and swimming. Do you have any recommendations for where to stay?
Yes, for the beach, you can choose from resorts, hotels, or vacation rentals. If you want something more affordable, look for guest houses or hostels. Make sure to check reviews and book in advance.
Thanks for the tips. What else should I consider when planning my trip?
Don't forget to plan your budget, pack appropriately for the weather, and check if you need any vaccinations or travel insurance. It's also a good idea to research local customs and attractions.
I'll keep that in mind. This has been really helpful. Thanks for all your advice.
You're welcome, Anna. I'm sure you'll have a fantastic vacation. Let me know if you need any more help.
I will. Thanks again. I can't wait to start planning.
Anytime. Enjoy your trip.
Comprehension questions. What activities can you do at the beach? What should you consider when choosing between the beach and the mountains? That's all for today's English listening practice. I hope you enjoyed the conversation and found it helpful for expanding your vocabulary.